Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy enchilada sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and a good quality broth. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll start by creating a flavorful base that will truly elevate your enchiladas. This method is perfect for beginners and busy cooks alike. Now let's build the foundation of our sauce, the roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for about 1 minute until it forms a light golden paste. This step is crucial for thickening the sauce and adding a nutty depth of flavor. Don't rush it. A properly cooked roux makes all the difference. With our roux ready, it's time to infuse some incredible flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder to the pan. Cook these spices for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, slowly whisk in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Keep whisking until the sauce is smooth and free of any lumps. Finally, let's bring our delicious enchilada sauce to perfection. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasonings, adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. This homemade sauce is so much better than store-bought. For an effortless cleanup after cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your amazing enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.